Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the iPhone 12. So this was sent out to me. Thank you Apple for sending this out to me. Appreciate it. I'm not an Apple fan, so sorry about the Apple, but it is what it is, guys. Right. So this normally costs about 1,000 something, I think. Not sure. This is the 120 gig model. Oh no, 64 gig model. It's free. I can't complain. So yeah. All right. So this is the box. As you can see already, it's very thin. The reason why, they don't give you a charge anymore. Apple, why you do this? Why you do this? Their reasoning is so to cut down on a cardboard waste. But then when you look at the charger box, it's basically the same size as this. So you're not cutting down on waste. You're just saving your own money because you have to buy that separate now. They're just looking for other ways to make profit, I guess. But it is what it is. So this one's a blue, as you can see. Okay, so the side says iPhone and it's like a blue color there. It's pretty nice. Apple sign's the same. Same on this side, and then there's your bottom thing. Okay, iPhone 12 USB-C lightning. Wait, where's the English? Am I blind? There's no English there, is there? What the hell? Am I blind? Or is there no English there? No, this is English. Include iPhone. Nope. There's no English there. What the hell? That's weird. I got every language apart from English. Okay, I guess it is what it is. Yeah. Let me go ahead and open this. It's just got plastic wrapping on. There was a pull tab here. There you go. Wow, look at that. Beautiful packaging. This is the easy packaging you need, guys. Something as simple as that. Oh, alright. Oh my god, that is nice, guys. Fucking hell. I'll be honest, that does look really nice. Look at that. Wow. So the blue is like a dark blue, and then this face is lighter, which is pretty nice. You got a flash there, you got a microphone there, and two cameras. So this is just a regular iPhone 12, not the 12 Plus or whatever they do. The 12 Pro, 12 Max. I forgot all the names now. Because that's well cold because it's metal. So that's brushed metal. Look at that blue metal. So I believe they're doing a couple of different colors: red, blue, black, grey. So yeah, just check out the website. They do different sizes. 64 is the smallest. 128 is next size up. 256. I believe they do a 512 as well. I'm not sure about the 1TB, but they might do a 1TB one. So as you can see, the camera just about, it protrudes out a little bit, so it's alright. It's not too bad, because if you protrude it too much, there might be issue if you drop it or something. It break the lens. So there's the lens. It looks pretty cool. Look at that Apple sign. Why is that dirt? I have to clean that. On the Apple sign, it's a bit dirty. Let me click the buttons. Oh, they feel good. Yeah, this metal casing is fucking cold. I've got the USB-C port there. There's your regular iPhone charger port. Two speakers at the bottom. One looks shorter than the other side though. I don't know. Maybe that's just a design thing. Why have they put CE on the side of that? Unless it's a sticker. I don't think that's a sticker. That's a pretty shit design if they put it like that. That's pretty shit. But yeah, alright. Let's go ahead and... Oh, they give you the cable, but that's it. They don't give you the actual block. The block is what you need. Okay. So this is... Wow. So this actually sticks to the screen, which is pretty cool. It's like a screen protector. After that, you're on your own. So... Oh my goodness. Come on. There you go. Yeah, this phone is a decent size. It's not too bad. Oh, I feel like that back, you would definitely need a case on this. It gets scratched up easily or break. So, oh wait, has it got another screen protector on? Yeah, this just needs a clean, guys. Look at that. Can you see the lines from the screen protector? Okay, so you got a camera at the front. Got a sensor. I think that's the face unlock one. Your proximity sensor and the light sensor. Your speaker there as well. Yeah, I'm liking the color scheme though. It's very nice. It's matte black screen as well. So these are Samsung displays, and they use Samsung chips, the RAM chips and everything. CPUs used to be Samsung, but I'm not sure if they're still using Samsung. They might be, because I know some of the A phones are. the A chips, I mean. Okay, you got the pin there. Oh, they don't even give you headphones anymore, guys. These guys are getting cheap as hell, guys. They're ripping people off now. Alright, so you just get the pin to open it with, and the USB-C to USB-C, I believe. Oh no. Oh, they give you a iPhone to USB-C. That is very cheap of them. Because now you will have to buy the adapter because you can't use your old one unless they give you an adapter, which they haven't. So yeah, it's a good way of Apple making extra money off you guys, but yeah, it's not very good, is it, guys? It's ripping people off. Alright, guys, give me 1 second. I'll tell you what the specs are of the iPhone 12. Alright, guys. Ah, my head. And the sticker stuck on the back of it. Alright. Okay, so you can get dual SIM on this. There's no memory card, as you know. It's a 6.1 inch display. This one is anyway. OLED HDR10, which is good. Resolution's only 1080p still, though. That's really bad for such an expensive phone, over £1,000. It's still on 1080p. It's very bad, guys. But anyways, yeah, it's not very good, is it? Okay, it's got the A14 chip in here, so it's a 6-core processor. So it's not the most powerful one. Oh, it only runs in dual core though. So the higher power chips run in dual core. There's only 2 of them, so most of the time you're gonna be running dual core rather than, yeah. It's not very good. I'll just show you the specs. It's not very good. Money wise, it's not very good. They're pretty much ripping you off, but it is what it is. Okay. So you get 4 gigs of RAM on all the models. That's still quite low, but their software is very optimized, so this weaker hardware will run very fast anyway. So yeah, it is NVMe, so it'll be very fast storage, which is good. 12 megapixel dual cameras on the back, so both of them are 12 megapixel. Why is this sticker stuck on there, man? Come on, get off there, get off there, get off me. Dash. There you go. Dual 12 megapixel cameras. One's a wide angle, one's a ultra wide angle, which is pretty good. It's got optical image stabilization built in, so it'll jump up and down when it needs to and keep it stable for you. It's got dual LED tone flash, so it'll be white and yellow to make it better. Just gives a more natural look. You can record 4K and 60 FPS, which is good. You can't do 8K yet, which most Samsungs can already do from the last gen, which is quite bad. And the front camera is, oh, there's 2 cameras on the front as well then. Okay, so there's 2 cameras on the front, so one must be on that side then. Well, that's what it says anyways. There's 2 cameras on the front. They're both 12 megapixel as well. 4K, they can do 60 FPS. Okay, it's not got a headphone jack. They got rid of that a long time ago. And yeah, the battery is very small though. Just have a look at that. 2815 mAh. That is a very small battery. If I show you my old phone, this is my old phone, S5. Right now we're on the S20. If you keep up with Samsungs, just have a look at this size of the battery. Let me see if we can see on here. No. Yeah, I'll just take it off. Okay. All right. 2800 milliamp hour. It's the same size pretty much as my S5. This phone was released in like 2010, 2009. I can't remember. It's a very long time ago though. It's a very old phone. As you can see, it's still got a button. Something you don't see usually on SD card, everything. Alright, so yeah, let me just switch it on so you can see. So you have 100% proof for any Apple fanboys. There you go, S5. As you can see, you can have a look online for all the stats on that. So that is a very small battery, guys. That's awful. So yeah, it's not very good for the price. There you go, £700. But that's just for the standard entry model, and different colors cost different money, and that's on eBay, guys. If you want a brand new one, you're gonna have to pay more, so keep out of that. So yeah, alright guys, there's your iPhone 12. Is it worth buying? I'd probably just go for the Pro Max, whatever the top models are. This one's probably not worth buying. because of how low spec it is. It's as good as that, and that's over 10 years old, pretty much. And you don't even get a charger, guys. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you Apple for sending this out to me for review, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.